Hey guys, welcome back to Shallows Artistry. Today we are going to see how to make a stylish and transparent pendant using waste SIM card. I've already made a SIM card with silver color frame, and as you can see, I've done intricate works with silver color wire as well. So take a SIM card and get started. Let's see what are the things we need for making this. SIM card frame, metallic color powder, Fevicol, scissors, compass, lighter, painting brush, and a miniature feather. Take a SIM card and cut its end so it looks even. Now heat a compass or any sharp item and pierce a hole on the SIM card. Now mix Fevicol and metallic powder to get a paste like this. Color the SIM card using this paste and let it dry. Once it has dried, trace the outline of this frame on an OHP sheet. And cut out the exact shape. Now apply another layer of this paste and stick the OHP sheet on the frame. Press it gently. Similarly, apply this paste on the other side as well. Very carefully use forceps and place a miniature feather inside the frame. Let it sit on the OHP sheet firmly. Now cover the other side with OHP sheet as well. Again, heat a compass and pierce a hole on the same place. Previously, we pierced a hole so that it will be easy for us to pierce it after placing the OHP sheet. Now connect a ring to the pendant through the hole. Our pendant is ready. Look at this, how the tiny feather is seen through the OHP sheet on either sides. The gold and red color combination is adorable and elegant. Use this pendant with any gold color chain, and you can also wear it with any trendy and stylish attire. So if you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.